Good day, everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Zebu and Zebu School on the evening market update. Today was a bloodbath day in the market when people were expecting the markets to go up as it happened yesterday. It didn't materialize as people have expected. What has happened today? You see that market from the very beginning itself started falling and kept on falling. There was minor pullbacks, as you could see here in the graph. There was some minor pullback that happened towards the end, somewhere around 1 o'clock, and then there was some technical pullback, but then it was sold into. Then it again touched the bottom and then tried to pull back again, but it was restricted because people expected it to be a down day, and it was a down day. Um, then there is it is Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you were to go and see it, you could see that it is Nifty and the Bank Nifty traced almost similar paths. Exact, almost to the dot. They track similar path. Only thing is, Nifty has fallen by about 1.0 percentage, and Bank Nifty varies has fallen by about 1.33 percentage. As we all know that either when it goes up, Nifty Bank Nifty overshoots Nifty. When it falls down, the same thing happens. Okay, so that's what happened with Nifty. Let's see how the market has behaved for Sensex. The similar figure again. Similar thing happened in Sensex as well. So why was it a down day? Because people again started having fear about the inflation in USA, and that is the reason why it is fallen, particularly in Indian markets. It was not so bad uh, in the overseas market yesterday, but Indian market, NSE, BSE, and these indices of NSE and BSE has taken a big toll today. Let's compare how it was yesterday when compared with yesterday, particularly with Nifty. Let's see. Let us see. Yesterday, market started here and kept on going up. In fact, it was big up candles only. But then today, the market is falling, kept on falling with little breaks here and there. So the people who were looking for a neutral strategy and people who are deployed in neutral strategy for a while, as if you could see, minimize it, I mean, increase the time frame, you would see that there is a market going up. There is a volatility in the higher time frame, but within a day, market was almost unidirectional for most of the days. There's a big moves that happening, even though there is a volatility, it is not sustained. The market moved with some clear idea of which direction it was going to. So for the close to about 45 days. Um, Market was here, moving here and there when looked at in the daily charts, but still market is moving down going, there is slight ups and downs, but still the market is going down. Yesterday, TCS has given very good numbers. People expected it to open a little higher because they had given dividend, a special dividend of about 75 rupees, and they're given a cautious but optimistic outlook. But still, market fell down. I mean, TCS share price fell down by about one point in time. It was down by about 3%, and after that, it settled down somewhere close to about 1% down. Why is that uh, people are dropping TCS or selling it in a such high volume even after giving such a good mhm, even after giving such uh, great results. Why? Because it was already overpriced. That is the reason markets. No, it was already overpriced. That is the reason mm, these kind of overpriced stocks, even though it might be a bellwether stock, it is one of the blue chip companies, bluest of blue chips company in India. Still, if it is overpriced and the growth is not there, and if it is not beating the market expectations by a wide margin, then people would be selling it off. Now there is a risk of sentiment in the market. So even though it is a good result, people are expecting it to be a better result. So market punished it. So, but what are the stocks that has gone up? TCS has fallen, but the other Tata Group stock, which the large Tata Group stock is the Tata Motors, it has done very well because of the Jaguar Land Rovers. Sales are improved and the outlook also seems to be little on the upside. So that is the reason why the TCS fell down, and then Tata Motors went up. Then this is the result season, and next a big IT company is going to announce its results on 12th. So do watch this space for finding out what Infosys uh, has in store for it and how it is behaving for doing its business for the last quarter. Let's see. Um, most of the in, most of the indices has closed in red. So no surprise because such a heavy day this is expected to happen. And the FA activity, if you want to see, yesterday was up more. There was people expected that at least FA started buying back again because it was a violently up move. It went up very high. But then, surprise of surprises, FAs were selling about 200 odd crores yesterday. So even on a very big up move day, also FA's participation is less. And today, uh, not today, but the DIS, our own institutional, domestic institutional investors, have bought for about 1,700 and odd crores. They have bought it. This month alone, FAS sold about 8,000 crores. Beg your pardon, it's 8,000 crores. And entirety of December 2022, FAS has sold only about 14,000 crores. Not even halfway there this month, the calendar days. Still more than half is for yes, last month total sales figure is more than half of it is crossed this month. So it is ominous. So we need to be watching over it. Not that, I mean, even though the FI's contribution to the index movement or the stocks movement has come down because of a heavy retail participation and the DA's participation, still this phenomenon needs to look into because they add uh, some support to the index as well as either they bring it down in a big way or move it up big way. Though the impact is not as it used to be, still you need to have a look at how FAS selling or buying. And if you want to look at the indices, other indices that is uh, um, so Nifty Bank 1.3 percentage, one VIX kept on increasing. Right now it's about 15.51. One point in time it was about 12, not now, but about a month back it was 12 and less. Now it is 15.51. It is increasing day by day. Let's see how it is to. Even on a good day like today for TCS, it has given a decent enough numbers. But still, the Nifty IT index has fallen by about 0.9 percentage. Pharma hardly any more. Nifty PSC Bank index has fallen about 2.7 percentage. So watch that counter. Nifty PSC hardly nothing changed. It has come down by a bit, but nothing much has changed. And so significantly, if you have to see, uh, every other index is fallen or increased by about zero point 0.5 to 0.18 percentage, and then the upside there is only India VIX, and then that's about it. And Nifty Auto, which is about 0.3 percentage up. So it was a bear hold today, total bear domination today. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. So as it been the case for last 45 days, be very, very careful with the market. If you are carrying overnight positions, be very, very careful because yesterday there was about 200 odd points up move. Tomorrow, today there is a similar amount of fall happen. So market is, even though it's moving by about a percentage each in the every day, but the direction of it seems to be changing every day now. So have clear stop loss, be very, very light in your positions, and consult your financial advisors before taking any of positions in the market. As ever, it is every day is a right day to start your investments and keep investing. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off from Zebu and Zebu Score on Evening Market Update. Thank you.